Hey guys, this is your friendly neighborhood Yu-Gi-Oh! Duelist. Now, in this package or tin, you will see that one pack and the promos are open because I already tried to record this and it said I didn't have enough space on my phone. So yeah, sorry guys. So some of this stuff will already be open. Oh, and also new recording. I'm recording on a tripod this time. It's amazing. Okay, so let's start now. You can see it's already opened. Cannot open this thing for life. See the promos and stuff already opened. So I guess we can get the promos. Galaxy Ice Photon Dragon, Fossil Dyna Pachialo, Guardian Eidos, Malefic Stardust Dragon, and Solemn Warning. Now here are the So here we go. We have Divine Wind of Mist Valley, Barrier Resonator, Cyber Shield, Nordic Relic Dampener, and Doppelwar, and Legendary Six Samurai Kaizen. Nice. Hollow. Cool. Memoir of Nordic Ascent, Nordic Relic Leviathan, and Solemn Authority. Okay. Now for next, Storm of... Oh, by the way, that was also Storm of Ragnarok. I changed it upside down. Nope, never mind. Here we go. Nordic Relic Dampener, Baron Stater, King Zenhu Replica, Tiki Curse, Stardust Phantom, and oh, no hollow this time. Goddamn Blackwing, Bestow of the Yaksha, and what is it? Karakuri Ninja MDL 919 Truick. What the heck are these names? Okay, so now for a Extreme Victory. Okay, so here we go. Scarlet Security, Mechmed Blast. Oh, I'm not saying that. You guys read it. Reboot. Junk Servant. Oh, no hollow. Change Dojo. Force Resonator, Hortisto Mobile Fortress, and Lancer Landworm. Now we have Extreme Victory. Resonant Destruction. Oh my gosh, there's too many of those. Red Carpet, Unknown Synchron, McLord Fortress. Scrap Arthros. Nice. Hollow. McLord of Army. The Resolute McLord Army. Sorry. And Mental Seeker. Okay, for last pack. Can we end this in a hollow? On Generation Force. Come on, number 17. Leviathan Dragon. Come on, give us the luck to end this video off with a hollow. Blowing it, guys. Come on. I'm blowing it. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Level Magna Cannoneer. Legendary Wind-Up Key. Pokey Draco. Skull Kraken. Love that card. Okay, Reason Device. And... oh, couldn't end it off with a hollow. Peking Goblin, Overwind, Aqua Jet, and Gem Elephant, sorry. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the new recording as well. So thank you guys for watching the video. and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.